Quick question. What do a massive magnitude 7 earthquake and a sudden, aha, moment in your brain have in common? The Maya used a super smart 260-day calendar called the Tzolkin. Instead of just counting minutes, each day carried its own energetic archetype, called a day sign. Whenever the ground rumbled, the Maya believed the planet was breathing, hitting the reset button, and giving humanity a giant wake-up call, and their 2,000-year-old calendar predicted the exact vibe. One of the most famous signs is called Caban. On the outside, Caban means earthquake and Telluric ground movement. But on the inside, it means wisdom, mind, and brain power. Why use the same sign for an earthquake and your brain? Because think about what an earthquake does. It knocks down shaky, weak structures. And what does a breakthrough insight do? It knocks down old, stuck thinking so you can build better ideas. Mayan elders called this a good shaking. The Maya knew earthquakes don't happen out of nowhere. They tracked 5 key energy stages of the earth. 1. Caban, the physical shaking and mental breakthrough. 2. Chicchan, Telluric fire. Think of this like the Earth's internal magma battery. 3. Cauac, the storm reset, a sudden electrical shockwave that forces a total reset. 4. Manik, the 4 pillars. Imagine the Earth resting on 4 giant table legs, testing whether your foundations are sturdy. And 5. Caban, the cosmic cleanup, when the Earth shakes out the dusty rug to vent extra heat. Now here's where it gets wild. Look at the massive earthquakes over the past few weeks along the Pacific Ring of Fire. In Japan, a huge magnitude 7.1 quake struck on Manik, the exact day sign of the 4 foundation pillars being tested. In Indonesia, a magnitude 6.9 quake hit on Chicchan, the exact day of subterranean magma fire. In Peru, a magnitude 7.2 quake rattled the Andes on Muluk, the day sign of returning balance to Mother Earth, Pachamama. And the historic 1985 Mexico City earthquake? It struck on 7 Chicchan, at the peak of a Cauac storm cycle. Every single quake matched the exact geological personality of that Mayan day. So, when are the next big energy windows, according to the Tzolkin? Between December 27th and January 8th, the calendar enters the high-voltage Cauac storm cycle, hitting 7 Chicchan on January 2nd, the exact fiery signature of the 1985 Mexico quake. Does this mean doom? Not at all. The Maya didn't view time as scary doom. They saw it as cycles of maintenance. Mayan Daykeepers called this a good shaking, the Earth simply venting heat and restoring balance. So next time you feel like your world is getting a little shaky, remember the lesson of Caban. Don't panic when old, brittle things collapse. Anchor your 4 pillars. Take a deep breath and get ready to build something stronger. Did you know your birthday has its own Mayan day sign? Check out your Mayan cross to see if your energy is powered by the earthquake, the fire, or the pillars. Hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's the biggest mental earthquake you've ever had?